front of me is Xiaomi 13 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message on this Xiaomi. First of all, you need to open Messages app and tap on one of your chats. Now select this icon with a camera and the photo located at the bottom left corner. Then click on one of your photos right away or tap on Gallery and hold the chosen ones. I will go with those two. When you finished, choose Add at the top right corner and click on Send button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!